Hi guys, my name is Andreas and I want to show you a little tutorial about creating links without any knowledge of HTML. That's very easy by using the tool Linkcode-Generator.de. Just visit that page and switch over to the English page, and so you can start creating a link. The first indication for a hyperlink is the target URL. I'm using this one because I'm a little bit a lazy person and it's easier for you to show. Just copy that URL to be linked into the target URL field. As next step, define a link text. I've prepared an example link text here. This is the text who's going to be linked, and that this text is been shown on your page and is linked to that URL. Additionally, you can define the title option, use the title option to define another text, not the same text as above. Otherwise, you can leave the field blank. This text will be shown with mouse over. It appears as soon the mouse is over the example link text. Then I prepared another example title text. Okay. Then use the target blank or target box to define if the target URL or the pages you link opens in a new window or not. If you set no, then you close the window. All windows are closed because it's in the same window. And if you check yes, the link opens in another window. If you close the window, the old window remains. No is better for internal applications. If you use a link in your website internally, and if you have an outgoing link to another page, then it's better to check yes. And with no follow, yes, you can devalue the link, because not devalue, avoid tracking. The link is not followed by Google then, and it's better to use this option for affiliate links or advertising links or anything which don't want to influence the ranking and the positions of the target page. Same as on-click it's another option. It's a JavaScript masking, and it covers and devalues the link by JavaScript, and the statement Google says we don't follow JavaScript, and so you can use that option also for advertisings and affiliate links. So if all indications has been done, you only have to push the create text link button, and immediately the code is shown in the box, and the preview, that's the link is going to be look on your page. And so you can see with mouse over, the optional title appears. And so you can take that code into your clipboard directly by clicking on that link. I'll show you. Yes, it's one code string without breaks, and this one can be copied one-to-one into the source code on demand position of your website. Okay. So now we have created a text link, and if you want to create an image link, you only have to check the image link, yes, and then you need an image URL and the dimensions of the image. So the image is it's important to define the dimensions, and it's important to deposit an image on a web server before. or you can use an existing or from a foreign page, no problem. You only have to take the right mouse button, and so you can see with Firefox, you can see the graphical info. That's the URL. Copy the URL and note the dimensions. It's 330 pixels to 248 pixels. Okay, just insert it in the field image URL and define the dimensions 330 and 248 pixels. Ready. An alternative text has not been to define. It's not required because already the text you've defined above, the link text, is overtaken as alternative text as soon you create an image link. Okay. Just push the button again, create image link. And now you see the finished code here. Another preview, the same preview like here, but as graphic. And the graphical image, as soon you mouse over, the example title text appears the same like here. And so you can see a preview, how it looks on the page later. You can send it by email again, or copy it to the clipboard. And so you see the finished code for the image link, which you can insert in your page again on demanded position. Oh, ready. I hope my tutorial was helpful for you and you enjoy the tool, and I'm glad about any recommendation or comment, and I'm very happy to show you that tool, and have a nice day. Bye bye.